Hello students, welcome back to the classes of Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 1, continuation. In last class, we had learnt how Antonio was sad and how his friends tried to convince him to express his reason for sadness, how Gratiano spoke a lot and exited from the scene. Salarino all tried their level best and they went for some work and decided to meet at dinner time with Bassanio. Now, the conversation between Antonio and Bassanio started where Antonio asked Bassanio to tell about that lady for whom he has sown pilgrimage. Now we will see the reply of Bassanio for the question of Antonio. Antonio, well, tell me now, what lady is the same to whom you swore a secret pilgrimage that you today promised to tell me of? Today you promised me that you will be telling about that lady for whom you have sworn secret pilgrimage. Bassanio, this not unknown to you, Antonio, how much I have disabled mine estate by something showing a more swelling port than my faint means would grant continuance, nor do I make mourn to be abridged from such a noble rate, but my chief care is to come fairly off from the great depths, wherein my time, something too prodigal, hath left me gagged. To you, Antonio, I owe the most, in money and in love, and from your love I have a warranty to unburden all my plots and purposes, how to get clear of all the debts I owe. Here, Bassanio, for the question of Antonio, he tells that, Antonio, I know that you know about me very well, how I have managed my richly life by spending more and more. You know my lavish living. You know in what conditions I have spent my money to maintain a level of dignity and the life of a noble. But now, I don't have any money to maintain that extravagance and also lavish life. Antonio, you are the person to whom I owe the most the amount and also my love. My dear friend, I know your affection is only the reason for my strength, and even if I disclose my plans to you, I know that you will help me to get cleared of all my debts. Antonio, I pray you, good Bassanio, let me know it, and if it stand, as you yourself still do, within the eye of honor, be assured, my purse, my person, my extremest means lie all unlocked to your occasion. Antonio requests Bassanio to tell everything in detail as whatever plan Bassanio has made is honorable. He is sure to give all his money, his body, and also anything which belongs to Antonio will belong to Bassanio. Bassanio. In my school days, when I had lost one shaft, I shot his fellow of the self-same flight, the self-same way, with more advised watch, to find the other fourth, and by adventuring both, I found both. I urge this childhood proof because what follows is pure innocence. I owe you much, and like a wilful youth, that which I owe is lost. But if you please to shoot another arrow, that self way, which you did shoot the first, I do not doubt, as I will watch the aim, or to find both, or bring you later hazard back again and thankful rest debater for the first. Here, children, Bassanio is giving some examples of his childhood where in his school days, when he was playing bow and arrow, he was losing his arrow. So, to find it in the bushes and trees, he was taking another arrow to shoot in the same direction. And he was following the direction where his second arrow reaches, and luckily he was finding the first one. I mean, here he was quite very wise to ask money from Antonio. First arrow is first amount what Antonio lent to Bassanio. Second arrow is once again he is asking amount to Antonio. And he is telling that if he forgets the first one, that is, if he misses to pay the amount what he took from Antonio for the first time, in case if he is taking another debt and Antonio is lending him once again the money what he is in need of now, he will never forget to pay him back, like the second arrow. Antonio, you know me well, and herein Antonio, you know me well, and herein spend but time to win about my love with circumstance. And out of doubt, you do me now more wrong in making question of my uttermost than if you had made waste of all I have. Then do, but say to me what I should do, that in your knowledge may by me be done. And I am pressed unto it, therefore speak. Then Antonio tells that he knows him very well and asks not to waste his time anymore, because it is not a big thing to help Bassanio. But now, for that present time, he did not have any money, but he was ready to help him with any amount of money. He tells that he can lose all his wealth for his best friend Bassanio. But now, as he has invested all his amount on his Argoses, he asks what he should do to help him.